Does that crack on your windshield ruin your perfect driving experience? Has it started to become unsafe to drive your car with that damaged glass? There's no reason to worry. TJM Industries provides mobile auto glass services to the Richland, Washington area. Our experienced technicians provide auto glass repairs and replacements. Whether you're driving a small coupe, a large semi-truck, or anything in between, we've got you covered with our mobile auto glass services. Convenient, time-saving, and budget-friendly, you'll be thrilled with our services. You can reach us at 509-870-0026 or visit our website at tjmmobiletruckwash.com for further information and to schedule an appointment to have your damaged auto glass repaired or replaced. See why our customers rate TJM Industries a perfect 5-star for our services. Don't delay, take the step towards a clear drive. Contact us now at 509-870-0026. Save time and money with TJM Industries. We have operators standing by to answer your questions and schedule your appointment. Call today.